If you are a CLAT 2027 aspirant who's looking for the perfect strategy to ace your GK and current affairs section, then you have come to the right platform. Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Law Prep Tutorial. My name is Priyanka Dhillon, and today together we are going to create the best possible strategy to cover GK and current affairs in the next 150 days if you are a CLAT 2027 aspirant. Now, before making the strategy, let's try to understand what the CLAT consortium does with the GK section. See, over the years, the pattern in the GK section has changed. Let's take, for example, right before 2019, since 2008, there used to be 30 questions, 30 one-liners from 30 different topics. It's almost akin to what you do in A-Lit, right? Now, in 2019, they sort of changed the pattern and then, they stopped. They did, in fact, ask 30 questions, but from 4 to 5 broad topics. So, एक broad topic में से कुछ उसके साथ related static detail वगैरह पूछ के 4-5 सवाल पूछ लिए और इस तरीके से चालू हो गया हमारा GK का section after 2019. Now, CLAT 2024 and CLAT 2025 for the GK section was a little bit iffy because it was almost like a reading comprehension section. Because, okay, so in CLAT 2024, सारे के सारे सवाल जो थे, उनके सारे जवाब passages में थे. CLAT 2025 में भी passages में आंसर थे, लेकिन थोड़े बहुतों के लिए थोड़ा रटाफिकेशन मेमोरी की जरूरत थी. CLAT 2026 has gone back to the broad 4 to 5 topics and then, of course, deriving a lot of MCQs from there. So what I'm trying to tell you is we are always going to keep this in mind that all of these type of trends have been done by the CLAT consortium only. तो अभी इस बार अगर हम लोग CLAT 2027 एस्पिरेंट्स अपनी बुकलेट खोले और वहां पे जीके के सेक्शन में अगर 31 लाइनर्स आ गए फॉर एग्जांपल, चलो नहीं आने चाहिए लेकिन अगर आ गए तो we need to be prepared for that. And anyway, we are preparing for A-Lit. And we are preparing our one-liners. Where do we do that from? I'm going to tell you. Now, there are two types of CLAT 2027 aspirants. Purely from the lens of GK current affairs. कुछ ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने जनवरी 2026 से पढ़ाई करनी शुरू कर चुके हैं. उनको मैं बोलूंगी ट्रैक लेगेसी. लिख के बताओ तुम ट्रैक लेगेसी में हो कि ट्रैक वेलोसिटी. ट्रैक लेगेसी वाले जो हैं उनका दुखड़ा जिंदगी में ये है कि उन्होंने इतनी पढ़ाई की लेकिन उनको कुछ याद रहता नहीं. अगर याद रहता है तो मॉक में उसी टॉपिक में से सवाल ही कोई और आ जाता है. तो इनके लिए थोड़ी अलग स्ट्रैटेजी. दूसरे जो बच्चे हैं जिनको मैं बोलती हूँ ट्रैक वेलोसिटी आर द वंस हु जस्ट स्टार्टेड राइट नाउ. Well, maybe they must have started in the month of June or even for that matter, the month of May, or they haven't maybe started till now, but they're very interested to give the examination in December 2026. What you need to do is, firstly, obviously you're feeling the pressure because there are so many other kids who have been doing it way before you and you also wish to go to the best law school. Please don't get burnt out. You have to understand that GK at the end of the day is just 30 questions out of 120 questions. तुम्हारे पेपर में 120 सवाल में से केवल 30 questions are there in GK current affairs. तो पूरे के पूरे दिन में 8-8 घंटे बैठ के हमने नहीं करना GK current affairs. आप UPSC की पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हैं और आप बर्न आउट हो जाएंगे उस वजह से. Now the strategy that these guys have to adopt to take care of January से लेके May. पढ़ तो हम रहे हैं लेकिन हमें याद नहीं है. तो हमने क्या करना है, हर एक महीने के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स लिखने हैं और वो हर एक टॉपिक के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर पेज पे उसके सारे नोट्स लिख देने हैं. किस तरीके से लिखना है, we'll just talk about it in 2 minutes. What you guys on the other hand have to do, the ones who have started right now, track velocity, you guys have to dedicate 60. So let's say this is an entire day. Within that day, this is the amount of time that you're giving for GK current affairs because obviously there are other sections. इस stipulated time period का 60% should be dedicated to current affairs. For example, if today is the 26th of June, 60% of your day should be you should be doing June के current affairs. 40% of your day should be for the backlog. By backlog, I mean January से लेके May. So let's take, for example, if today is the 26th of June, 40% of that time that I had dedicated for GK current affairs in this entire day, how will I do from January to May, how do I do those things? So every 5 days, you will read 1 month ka magazine completely, right? Very simple. 5, 6 are 30. Within the next 35 days, you will have read all of the backlog wali magazines, at least one. Magazine को पढ़ना कैसे है? उसमें से सबसे पहले you have to focus on the most important topic, let's say 5 to 6 or even 10 most important topics, and then once you get like a little, you get acquainted with that, and I will just tell you how to do that. Then you will also read the rest of the magazine, the one liners, the ones जिनमें से सिर्फ एक ही सवाल बन सकता है या दो ही सवाल बन सकते हैं, वो तुम्हें दिखेगा. विद द लेंथ ऑफ द आर्टिकल यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. एंड ऑल्सो ऑफ कोर्स आई होप यू आर रीडिंग द न्यूज़पेपर. इन केस यू आर नॉट, एटलीस्ट henceforth you should, right? Okay. Now within the next 30 days, that means now both the tracks have come together. Backlog दोनों का clear हो गया. जिन्होंने जनवरी से पढ़ाई की उन्होंने एक एक पेज के सारे वो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स के नोट्स बना लिए. नोट्स कैसे बनाए? अच्छा, दूसरों ने भी अपना बैकलॉग कंप्लीट किया हर 5 दिनों में 1 महीने की मैगजीन पढ़ के. Now the kind of topics that, the one page topic that I'm talking about. So for example, you write 2026 SEO Summit, for example, right? So now here you have to look at certain static anchors. ये तुम्हारा इंश्योरेंस है, क्योंकि एक ब्रॉड टॉपिक में से कुछ भी स्टैटिक ट्रिविया पूछेंगे. कैसे टाइप का ट्रिविया पूछेंगे? They can ask you about the genesis of that particular international grouping, for example. They can ask you about the secretariat. They can ask you about the membership, especially when India is involved, or a latest member. They can ask you about India's role. Over here, obviously, Shanghai Cooperation Organization also has another sort of office called the Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure. If you don't know it, it doesn't matter, usko daro mat. Lekin anything related to that particular topic also you should know. You should know कि किस कंट्री की चेयरमैनशिप है ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर ईयर. तो ये करना है हमने, एक पेज में करना है मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स के लिए, हर एक टॉपिक के लिए नहीं. ठीक है? So this is something we do and we start learning it. Now, how do I make sure that my 90 minutes that I dedicate for GK and current affairs in a day, that should be fruitfully used? Those 90 minutes में से 30 minutes में न्यूज़पेपर की बात आ गई. ये ट्रैक लेगेसी हो गए. जनवरी से पढ़ने वाले बच्चे, इन लोगों ने तो डेली एडिटोरियल्स पढ़ लिए कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के लिए. और ये जो ट्रैक वेलोसिटी वाले हैं, मतलब जून ऑनवर्ड्स वाले जो बच्चे हैं, दे विल ओनली फोकस ऑन मेजर नेशनल एंड ग्लोबल headlines. Now listen to me very very carefully. This entire video is on GK current affairs. ठीक है? इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ यहाँ पे तुमको 4 के 4 जो editorials आए हैं वो पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. But newspaper is also important for other sections. Purely for GK, if I talk about it, you just have to look at the most repetitive topics in the newspaper. But yes, if I was also talking about other section, which I will drill the point because that's my job, you will also read editorials, maybe not all 4, maybe 2, maybe 3, or even 1, but don't miss it out. Then magazine mein se, of course, you have to have already told you what the kids who have been studying since January will do, will make a 1-page recall, and the other abhi wale jo bacche hain wo 60-40%. Mock buffer का मतलब ये होता है हर दिन 15 मिनट तुमने पुराने mock में से उसकी GK learn करनी है, because mocks are also a very very important source for GK and current affairs. And now this is what you have to do. Firstly, you have to commit to your track. You could also be a student who was studying since January but hasn't really studied because of whatever under the sun. You will come under this category, right? Even अगर हमने admission पहले लिया लेकिन हमने सिर्फ chill किया अभी तक, लेकिन अभी हम serious है, तो ये हुआ आप. ठीक है? Action 2 is lock down your sources. I don't want you to do multiple sources. नहीं तो फिर तुम यही करते रह जाओगे, बाकी sections के लिए time नहीं मिलेगा. Class notes, newspaper and GK magazine, obviously also your mocks. And that's it. You have to build your notes by themes, not by date. And you just have to build this system, and trust me on this, 150 days and you will be super confident in your GK current affairs when you enter your examination hall and give your CLAT 2027 examination. Thank you very much.